Thank you for that.
We are here for one item. Formal presentation of flags to our chairmanship candidates. You all know where we are coming from. Just coming out from the court, and we are still in court even till now. We are continuing, so a lot of things cannot be done the way it used to be. We decided to make it this way by bringing all the AGS to the party secretariat and present flags. Let them go on and continue with their campaigns. On behalf of the State Exco, I want to formally welcome you to this event.
Please, let me thank members of All Progressive Congress Rivers State. Today is a very unique day in Rivers State. I hear some people somewhere say we will not partake this election. We will partake election on Saturday. Amen. Let me call the security agents to warn those characters, those charlatans that wants to create problem in Rivers State. Rivers State has been theater of war over the last administration of the former governor of Rivers State. We have a governor who has a fear of God, who wants to conduct free and fair and credible election in Rivers State. Nobody should cause problem. If you cause problem, the security agents will chase you to your hole. Let me thank our candidate for this election. And I know God will give you the strength. Go out and campaign to your people of your local government. Saturday is a day that will come and pass. I was talking to somebody in my office. Independent Electoral Commission said they are independent. In the last election, were they independent? We believe that RISEC will keep to what they've told the IPOB in Rivers State. I want to wish all of you well. I want you to go back and conquer, because local government now, we need for the place to be good. I wish you well. My assignment is just short and brief. Is to present the flags to all of our. I wish you well. From where? Okay. Abua. Abudwa. Eriga. I present you the flag of our party. Go and conquer and come back with victory. Go and conquer.
APC! Asaga, here we go! APC!
Obiakpo, congratulations. Okubolo. Omuma. Emoha. Oyibo. Port Harcourt local government.
Why not they behave like this for Christ's sake?
Please. The chairman on Saturday, what judgment do they have? There's a judgment before that judgment in Rivers State, which all of you are aware. I don't know why they are trying to drag Rivers people to the mud. Why are they deceiving Rivers people? Election will take place on Saturday. Nobody's going to stop the election not to take place. And anybody who plays the problem will carry the problem on his head. That's the position of APC in Rivers State.
There's tension in the land, sir.
There's no tension whatsoever. Who's going to create the tension? Some people want to play the script of their masters. Nobody is here to get. Rivers people are more superior to those characters.
Sir,
We understand that to run election in Rivers State. We gave them form, and like the Bonnie said, they are not going to partake in the election because they have a common relationship. But other people are running. One person is not determined the other people to run election to Rivers State.
sir, you seem to be expecting.
You know, APC is a party established in Rivers State. And they've already started consulting their local government and their board before this time. We just did the normal formality to make sure we present flag. You can see that all the APC and probably one other party has the one that officially flagged up their campaign in Rivers State. That's to show we are ready for this election. Your party seems to be going to this election divided. That's what you're talking about. There have always been division in politics in Nigeria. This is not the fact that there's division in this country. Even though the PDP has division, all the political parties have division, but the APC is stronger in Rivers State. You can see in less than no time, a party that has not hold position for it, people just turn out to the other. We did not mobilize anybody to come to this meeting. We just asked them to bring their supporters to come. If we mobilize, we don't have this then. And I'm probably we're planning to do a bigger rally, which I'm going to work out with my communities this afternoon after my meeting. Okay, sir. I'm making still stands. Yes. Then, like I said earlier, there's no way you write history of politics in Rivers State. But APC will not Amaechi one full page of this country. And we're proving to the people of Rivers and Nigeria that Amaechi is still strong and still remain the leader of the APC.
So in 2019, your party did not field candidates for the general election.
Because those characters that don't want to field election, well, I won't say this into another proper time. We know what's going to happen in Rivers State politics.
All right.
Yes. My name is Adamakri Tio Oyemechi. I'm from Omega, movement of the local government area.
You are flying the flag of.
Yes.
Okay, so how do you feel? Look at the camera. How do you feel now that you are the one flying the flag of the party? Are you feeling optimistic, or are you just here to get up numbers?
I am not here to make a number. I am optimistic. I'm going to win. APC is on fire, and we're going to deliver.
You know, and I'm one of the strongest local government in Rivers State. What I'm machinery I'm going to build to some APC election.
The strong machineries is already our machinery. No other party has not. And I am assuring you, the machineries on ground we are going to do.
3 days enough to campaign. Today is 2nd October, the election is on the 5th of October.
Well, 3 days is enough because I have started doing the groundwork. Our APC have been on ground, so it is not looking for people, we are on ground.
They are facing for electorate.
Well, my message is that I appeal to them they should vote me because we have a 4-point agenda. Hey, in that 4-point agenda, we have security, we have education, we have environment and entrepreneurship, we have agriculture. My administration is going to base on capital development.
Final result. Some people are afraid that this election will not hold. Other people are also afraid that there's going to be violence in the election. What do you have to say?
No, there's not going to be violence in this election. Legal and peaceful people. Who's the one that wants to cause violence? The security agency will be apprehended.
Thank you.
Sugar.